National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a tornado warning for western Marshall County in central Illinois, southeastern Stark County in north central Illinois, northern Peoria County in central Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Brimfield, or 14 miles northwest of Peoria, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Princeville around 8:05 p.m. Dunlap and Edelstein around 8:10 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lincoln and Sparland. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 70 and 80. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.